Welcome to this video series, Study Like a Scientist. Let's learn how to use research-based strategies to build long-term memory and recall knowledge efficiently and effectively. In this video, we will learn about interleaving. Interleaving focuses revision on quality, not quantity. It forces your brain to make connections and to use different strategies. It makes more effective long-term memories and more effective recall. So how do we do it? Start by chunking topics and then plan your revision time so that you can switch between the topic chunks. So in this picture you can see you could revise for 20 minutes on DNA, 20 minutes on organs, 20 minutes on plants and 20 minutes on molecules. And then step 4, review those on another day in a different order. This is a way of having short, targeted bursts of learning that are so much more effective than one big chunk. It causes you to have intentional revision planning, and it is a way of doing intentional spaced practice, so spacing out your learning. So now you know how to use interleaving to study like a scientist. Why don't you check out the video on brain dumping so that you could see how effective your learning has been by how much it improves what's in your brain.